Most people break because of their reactions. Stoics don't. They control their mind before the world controls them. Think about it. Someone insults you. A plan fails. Chaos surrounds you. Most people react instantly. Anger, fear, frustration. And just like that, their energy, focus, and clarity vanish. That's why mental strength feels impossible for so many. But there's a Stoic habit that changes everything. Rule 1. The pause before reaction. Your power lies here. When something triggers you, criticism, betrayal, disappointment, most people react automatically. Anger, panic, blame, they give their power away. A Stoic pauses, even for a second, and that pause is everything. Marcus Aurelius faced wars, betrayal, and endless responsibility. Did he react emotionally? No. He observed, assessed, and then chose his response deliberately. Your challenge today: next time something triggers you, pause, take a breath, ask, is this within my control? If yes, respond wisely. If not, let it go. Rule 2. Control what you can. Ignore the rest. The world will throw chaos at you. People will be unfair. Plans will fail. Life doesn't follow your script. Most people lose their mind over things they cannot control. Stoics focus only on what they can influence, their thoughts, actions, and responses. Epictetus said, "It's not events that disturb us, but the meaning we attach to them." Your challenge today: identify one situation you're stressing over that's beyond your control. Step back. Reframe it. Focus on what you can do. That shift builds unbreakable strength. Rule 3. Emotional resilience is a habit. Strength is not built by avoiding stress. It's forged through facing it intentionally. Every moment of frustration, fear, or disappointment is a workout for your mind. The Stoics trained daily, using every challenge as a way to toughen their mental muscles. Your practice today: notice every small emotional trigger. Observe it, label it. Don't react immediately. This daily habit rewires your mind from reactive to unshakable. Rule 4. Own your reactions. Don't blame the world. Most people blame others, circumstances, or luck for how they feel. Stoics own their reactions. They understand the world is chaotic, but their mind is their domain. You cannot stop storms outside, but you can remain steady inside. That's where true freedom and unbreakable strength live. Your challenge today: pick one moment of irritation, anger, or fear. Ask yourself, did the world cause this, or my reaction? Shift responsibility inward. Master yourself, and nothing can break you. Rule 5. Build mental strength daily. Like any habit, mental resilience grows over time. One pause, one reflection, one conscious choice, then 2, then 3, and slowly your mind becomes unbreakable. Stoicism is not about being emotionless. It's about controlling emotions, not letting them control you. Your challenge today: commit to one deliberate pause for the rest of the day. Observe your response. Learn, grow. Repeat tomorrow. That is the Stoic path to mental unbreakability. Conclusion: most people break because of their reactions. You don't have to. Control your mind before the world controls you. Practice these rules daily. Pause, reflect, respond deliberately. Build unshakable mental strength. If you want more Stoic habits to transform your life, subscribe to Stoic Way Academy. Your journey to becoming unbreakable starts now.